Yes, it's arrived. The postman's been. Right, let's grab the... well, I'm assuming it's going to be quite heavy, so let's get this out. Right, lovely jubbly. The mini wood burner, I'm assuming, is locked and loaded. Right, let's get it in the living room and open this bad boy. Right. Oh, blimey, it's taking ages. Let's get it. Just get it through here. Oh, wait. Oh, around here. Oh, just down here. Oh, blimey. Just past all the lovely plants. That's it, round here, up to the tabletop. Oh, blimey, finally we're here. Let's get this bad boy opened. See you in a bit. Let's get this mini wood burning stove open. I've actually bought this to go on my boat for the winter. So I'm going to be opening it today, and then when it's ready to be installed on the boat, I'll probably do a video on that. Just a video, update videos pretty much. And this I ordered from eBay. Oh, it's loads. Oh, blimey, look at all that. It's gone everywhere. I have to put that down carefully. Oh, it's upside down. Hang on a minute. Let me just turn it the right way up. Oh, I'll just open it upside down. Don't matter. So I can pull it out, can't I? And this cost, let's think. Can't remember now. I think it was. I think the actual stove was 150, but it actually came to about 200 with delivery. So yeah, it was £50 delivery, which is not bad. I mean, you know, I didn't want to get a too cheap one because I really want it to be safe. I know people can make these even cheaper, but I want it to be a bit thermal, and you know, the walls of the stove to be a bit thick, because it is on a boat after all. I don't want it to be too hot all everywhere. Right, I have to pull this out, so give me a second. Yeah. Right, so what I've done is I've turned it the right way, so I've basically turned it on its head. So now when I open it, we can all see together. Beautiful. Right, let's have a little go. Bloody hell, I thought it'd just pull off. One sec. Oh yeah, good. Right, let's do it. Dun 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 dun. Messy. And it's back to front. Let's turn it round. Wow, that looks impressive. That looks really nice. And this is meant to warm up the sort of maximum 200 square feet. So my boat is a westerly consort, and the length of those is about 29, 30 foot long. So this should do the job lovely. And as you probably know, if you sail, the inside yachts, it's not the most spacious of places, but it can be very cosy. Look at that. That is not looking too bad. There's the air intake. Beautiful. Should have a drawer here. Did it say there's a drawer? Let's have a look. It might be inside. Oh yeah. Oh, that is shoved in there nice, isn't it? Let's get that out. What a mess. I'll have to get the Hoover out after. Good old Henry Hoover. Now this didn't come with flue pipes. So that's all you get. Is basically, that's about 4-inch hole there. It goes straight into the burner. So I'm going to have to get some pipe. There's a couple of actual wood burning stove shops around here. So I basically live in like the UK, like Dorset sort of area. So what's this? Oh yeah, that's good. That's the ash drawer. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos about these mini wood burning stoves, and this one is not the most mini, so it's not the smallest, but it is it's the second smallest. So this is basically all that's bigger on this is the height, because I want to be able to fit more wood in, a bit more wood inside the burner. And if I got the really small one, I don't think you can fit wood in there enough to keep one night. You have to get up and, you know, wake up and sort it out, like stoke it and things. But I'm pretty sure with this one, you don't have to bother as much. So that goes in there. That's the outside. Look at all that mess on it. But yeah, it looks pretty clean. Not too bad. Very nice. I'll let you know the true price of it when I do my next video of me installing it on the boat. But I've actually at the moment I'm still doing the, well, I'll say it to you guys, the bedroom. I'm still fitting the bedroom with thermal and marine fabric. So after, yeah, I won't be fitting this for a little while, at least a month, I'd say. I'm basically refurbishing the whole boat, and there is a couple of videos on my channel if you wanna, and if there's more shorts on my channel of me doing the boat, like doing some fiberglassing and polishing. But if you want to see more, I can put more videos of the boat, of me doing like the bedroom and the cabin and things. So yeah, this is the wood burner, sort of mini wood burner. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. Peace.